episodes. More action. More detail. Here we are back again with Grandma's Cooking Kitchen.
Welcome to Grandma's Cooking Show. What have we got on tonight? Friday night, just got home from work. Granddad's been home all day, but he cut up the chicken ready for chicken curry. So I've cooked it already. Home just a little while. So I took 1/4 cup of peanut oil, put some of that in the fry pan and cooked it. It's just bite-sized pieces, and cooked it for about 4 minutes. And I've taken it out and put it on a warm plate. Now what I'm going to do is put in the rest of the oil and I'm going to
So how much oil is that in total?
So in total 1/4 cup of peanut oil. And then I'm going to put in 1/3 cup of red curry paste into the fry pan and cook it for 1 minute. So we put that in there. It gets really hot and it gets really, what's the word, Grandad?
She is just an apprentice, we know that.
I've put the spoon in, which is not good because it's got some of the curry paste on it. Take that off. Okay, so that cooks just for 1 minute in the oil. So I've turned the fry pan down so it doesn't spit at me so much. So just a minute. Now, how long was that, Grandad? Is it a minute yet, you reckon?
Oh, close.
Close. So once that's been done for a minute, then we add the rest of the sauce ingredients. So I'll make sure I've got all my paste in there, the red curry paste. Then I put in some coconut milk. So 400 mils of coconut milk into the curry paste. Meanwhile, Granddad's cooking some rice to go with this. Thanks, Grandad.
So I'm sure you know how to cook the rice, boys, so you'll have that under control, no problems.
So here we go. So 400 mils of coconut milk. So I make sure I get it all out of the packet, every little bit. Okay. Stir that up a bit. 1/2 cup of peanut butter.
What sort of peanut butter is it, Grandma?
Crunchy.
Crunchy, so it's best to have crunchy.
And the best bit about this is Grandma gets to lick the spoon when it's all, before I put it in the dishwasher. Then we want 1/4 cup of fish sauce. So I'll show you the bottle in a minute. So Squid brand fish sauce. So I've just got a new bottle here, so I need to put that in.
1/4 cup.
1/4 cup. So I use the same cup as I put the oil in. So that's why I'm just putting it in now, otherwise I would have had it ready. So 1/4 cup. And I need to mix all this up. So we've got the peanut butter.
It's starting to smell pretty spectacular.
Good. Yeah, the peanut butter makes it really yummy. And then we also need to put in some sugar. I think it's 2 tablespoons, but I'll just double check my recipe. Let me double check my recipe, Grandad. Pretty sure it is. Yeah. So 2 tablespoons of sugar. I thought it was that. My memory's doing well tonight. Okay, so I'll turn the heat up a little bit so it gets, you want it to thicken. all mixed up and thickened to a nice sauce.
It smells amazing.
Okay, that's looking pretty good. Don't think I've forgotten anything. This sauce. And then I put in some vegetables that I prepared before I went to work this morning.
So what's in here?
So we
Grandma?
have a red capsicum,
a whole red capsicum.
a whole red capsicum, and a head of broccoli. And because I had it, I put in some cauliflower as well.
Okay.
Okay, so I guess you could put whatever veggies you like in this, Grandad, but these are the ones we cooked in this.
We like these.
And then we cook them in the sauce for a few minutes till they're softened. So I don't know how many minutes. Yeah, we just
Okay, so we'll come back in a few minutes after it softens
Yeah.
a bit. So do you put the lid on or lid off?
lid off.
Lid off.
Lid off, and then cook it. And then once the veggies are cooked, I put the chicken back in to finish off. So
That looks amazing. Okay, we'll be back in a few minutes to let you see what's happening.
okay, so the veggies are just about cooked, so they need a little bit longer, but so we can put the chicken back in. So Grandad had cut up 2 fillets of chicken breast fillet in bite-sized pieces, and I put them in, you know, a little bit of the oil, some of the oil, and browned it. I think I cooked it only for about 4 minutes. So now we just put it in here to finish it off.
So Grandma, are you putting it in like that so all the juices on the plate don't
Oh
go in?
yeah, sorry. Yeah, I've got a slotted spoon, so
Yep.
I'm not putting all the juices back in. I'm just putting the chicken. So you'll see there's juice on the bottom of the plate. So just there. So I'm just putting the chicken in. So you can actually see from the juice that it was pretty well cooked. It just needs a little bit more in to finish it off now while the rice finishes. Bottom line, that's it. So it's pretty easy. You know, probably the hardest thing, Grandad, is just doing that, cooking the curry paste in the oil because it splatters. So you just need to be careful doing that. So I'm mixing it up now, and that's it. Chicken curry. It's yummy. And we'll have that with rice. And Grandad's got a cold drink to have it with while we watch some TV on a Friday night and relax. Hey Grandad, is that what we're going to do tonight?
Sounds good.
Yeah, so another dish from Grandma's kitchen. Okay, so Grandma's dishing up now. Some rice, now the chicken curry. It smells divine. I can't wait to have it. So here we go, boys. So to Seth and Levi, Malachi, Nate and Josh, here's Grandma's chicken curry. And I hope you enjoy it. And I just want to tell you all how much I love you. And I miss you and can't wait to come here. God bless. Bye.